gifted a item and I started to open it and I thought, this is gonna be pretty cool. And for purpose, I better stop and film it. So how about you join me? I'm gonna switch the camera view and let's check this out together. Okay, so I already started to open this, and this is called the Belloccio Home Airbrush Makeup and Guide. So I'm gonna get that a little bit close to you. The Belloccio is an airbrush makeup system. Now recently I saw an infomercial on something similar to this, and I thought, how cool would it be to get my hands on one of these? And these folks have sent this to me for us to check out, and so let's get to it. So a little bit of stuffing in the box, and this is where I stopped, as I got to the stuffing and then I stopped. So let's look a little bit further here. So this is the airbrush feed, and it's got a little, yeah, I don't know if you can see it, I won't pull it out just yet. This, I believe, is the tool that you're going to use to do the spraying. It does come with a getting started guide, and we can watch this. So for my next video, I will definitely be watching this, so I have a better understanding on how to use this Belloccio airbrush kit. Inside the box is an airbrush cleaner. So obviously once we put some product in it, we're definitely gonna wanna clean it and make it look good. There's a flawless airbrush makeup. I'm guessing this is maybe like a something that you use for getting started. This is a finishing spray. So when you're done, hit it with a finishing spray, and I would imagine it helps seal those products. It's like a bag of sponges, and I'll get those close to you. They're just those black egg shaped sponges. We got a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. This little bugger's kind of heavy. This is the compressor. So the compressor here for it. You can open this up and take a look at it. Oh wow. So inside the compressor box, obviously you've got your power cord, your power source. Looks like a tubing, I'm guessing, for the air, for the compression. And then it's a solid little box. And then this is the compressor. You know, this is quite nice. I don't think I would be mad if this was sitting on my counter waiting for me to use it. So with the shine on that, you can see right in there. So that's really kind of cool. So that is the compressor there. So let's see what else is in the box. Comes with this. Oh man. So I'm gonna start with all these bottles. There's many bottles. Lots of different complexion colors and types. So I think you could probably kind of mad scientist this and figure out what is going to be a good color for you. I think just about everybody has a representation here for colors. We have light and dark, medium. There's all sorts that I think it won't be any trouble at all getting a match for these. Quite a few colors. I didn't grab them all with my little hands, but gee whiz, I would say there's probably 20 different colors that are here in the box. And then we have some more, appears to be, it's a little bit more on the solid side. So it's like a cream, a little bit more on the solid side. So I would think that would be a good blending. I'm gonna watch the video. I am not makeup savvy by any means. So certainly if this is something that I can do, then I would imagine that everybody could do this. So hit follow so you can check me out for my next videos. But we'll do another video where we're actually have it set up and running and let you see what that looks like as well. All right, thanks for joining me. Okay, welcome back. So let's go ahead and put this all together. I'm gonna start with the adapter, and I've watched the videos and that they direct you to a website. There's probably gosh, 8 or 9 videos on there. So I'm feeling really confident that this is something that anybody could do, not just me, which, you know, I don't have a lot of skills when it comes to makeup. I haven't spent a lot of time in that arena. And so here's my compressor. And let's see here. I believe, there it is. A little hard to find. Plug in my adapter. And then next I need the tubing, which is right here. That bag. This is a strong tubing. Very flexible. Very flexible. Okay, so then on the front end of this compressor is a knob for the tubing. I'll put that kind of close for you, right there. It's a knob for the tubing. So, and just squeeze that on there. It is snug, but it should be. We want it to be snug. So it is snug, but it definitely fits right on there. Okay. And in the box, we should have the wand. So this is the stylus that is used. Oh, it's pretty. There you go. Get you a little look at that. Very pretty. And then the other end of the tubing goes on this end of the stylus. So this is, you know, super easy to do. Again, it's going to be snug. So a little bit of finessing with a little bit of pressure. I'm kind of twisting, kind of giving a little twist and push on here. But that is it. That is it. So I understand that we have a low, a medium, and a high when it comes to our settings. And let's see if I, oh, there it goes. It was an outlet issue. Okay, so it comes on right at medium, and then this button here, so you can adjust if you want it to go high or if you want it to go low. Put it right back at the medium. Okay, so my understanding is that we're going to start off with a primer, and it's two drops of primer into here, and you pull back on the little toggle. I'll show you here. So you pull back on the toggle, and that disperses. Okay, so here we are. I am, as you can tell, I'm starting with a bare face, a naked face, and I've put a toner on my face and a little bit of a moisturizer on it, but nothing else at this point. So I think it's perfect to do this. So I have our tool here, our airbrush pen, and this is a primer. I've shaken up the primer, and I'm going to put 2 drops in. So I'll show you. Oh, 1, 2. Boy, it's not very much. And then I'm going to turn on my compressor. I'm going to turn it on to low. Try not to get it all twisted up here. So it starts off in medium, and I'm just going to move it to low. And then I'm going to pull back on this little trigger with my finger, and I'm just going to make little, oh, you can feel air. So I was a little scared. You can feel some air. When I pull back on that trigger, then I should be able to feel the product. So let's give this a try here. I'm not sure how close I need to be, but we'll see. Okay, it's kind of making like a little gurgling noise, so I'm guessing that is the end of the product. Which, just the air coming out, it's kind of smooth, it's kind of nice. So, all right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and grab the color. Okay, so this is the foundation that I chose, and I'm not really good about wearing foundation. It's just not something that I usually do. I kind of skip that. I definitely know I need it. I've got lots of sunspots and freckles and things, but I have been terrible doing it. So that's one of the reasons why I really wanted to try this, is maybe it'll help me apply it just a little bit better. So I'm gonna take the foundation and I'm gonna move my, you can hear it, I just bumped up my power on my air compressor up to a medium. I'm gonna put a couple drops in. So it's just 2 drops. So maybe 1, 2. All right, and I'm gonna use my finger, I'm gonna pull back on the trigger and we'll see what happens. I'm nervous, so I'm gonna close my eyes, which I don't know if is a good thing because I wanna see it go on, but that's what I'm gonna try. Here we go. So. I don't know, I kind of feel like I might need more stuff in there. I can definitely see it's kind of taking the color off my cheeks a little bit. And it's very light. Gosh. I don't know. What do you think? So it's kind of blended out my freckles. I'm going to try just maybe 2 more drops. So I'm going to add 2 more drops. They say that the foundation that you need is the one that disappears when you put on your skin, and maybe it disappeared a little well. So, all right, so here we go again. I'm gonna try it from this side. I don't know. Now this time around I can definitely hear it. Maybe I didn't pull it back enough. So now I can hear it gurgling. And I don't think I do it as well as the first time ever doing it. It's probably not bad, but I'm sure it'll get better as I do it more. All right. Well, it definitely works. It's evened out my skin. It doesn't, what I really like about it looking into my big mirror is it doesn't feel like it's all cakey on there. And like when I use foundation, one of the reasons why I don't use this is because I think it makes my wrinkles look even bigger. But this I think is quite nice. So the Belloccio, I'm not sure if I'm saying it just right, but definitely I think this is a win. I really like that it comes with a ton of product, so you can really get a good, a good amount to decide. I'm gonna turn this off because it's noisy. A good amount to decide between, but gosh, you have every color. This is the one I used, and I'm fairly fair-skinned, but you have every color in the box, so you can even mix like 2 drops of one, 2 drops of the other, and it'll show you on the videos on how to mix those up. It looks like cleaning is a breeze as well. So all in all, I think this is a great product. And if you get it, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of it too. Take care.